Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am going to design one page WordPress website on Generatepress premium theme, and I have a content for it, like you can say the title SEO service. I am going to design for it as SEO service provider. Now let's start. For it I am going to setting the layout, like sidebar we are going to set it no. For footer widget, no. Full, yeah, container full width, because we are going to design it on full canvas. And for now, this demo website I am going to disable it, because I don't want it on our service provider page. Otherwise it will take the main website header and footer. That's why I am going to disabling it, and now I have done. For the next, we are going to design hero section, and for it I am going to adding container, and now I am going to rename it hero section. Okay, done. I am going to add inner section, yeah, and inner section for we are going to add h1 heading in the inner section, and this is h1. That's why I am going to toggle it from here, and yeah, done. I have done. For better look, we are going to adding padding in the main section. We are selecting the hero section main container, and I am going to spacing area, and we are going to say 100 top and bottom 100. And for the inner container I am going to display flags, column, and alignment center, and now I am going to center it. Yeah, it is done. Now I am going to add for it. Now I am adding, you can also highlight it. For let me check. Yeah, I am going to highlight it. Okay, I have a color palette for it, and first select it and go highlight, and I have color, and yeah, done. Now I am going to add hero section main container for adding the background area according to the color, and we are done. Yeah, h1 is ready, and now time for the next content, and I am going to add a paragraph. Now I am going to adding some font edit, and we can say 20 pixel or 70 pixel. Yeah, it is right. Now you can add a call to action. We can add button. Here is the button, and let's start. You can write here anything like let's start or contact us. Now I am going to add the color according to the our theme. Sorry. Now we are going to add a section padding low and going to it 25. It look better. And now I am going to change the hover color on button. Does it not look good for me? Okay, I am going to add white color. Yeah, and for text, yeah, it's look better. Now going to add a hover color on the border with pixel 1. Yeah, it is going to look great. And now I am going to add a border for it, 20 pixel, 10 or 8. You can check through trial and error method what is looking great on it. And I am going to add some margin on top so it look better. Yeah, it look better. Now I am going to select maximum within it for the text, so we can minimum and maximum with, okay, 700 pixel. And we are also going to set 700 pixel for header so it not capture the whole area. And maybe, yeah, it look great. And we can also give more space for it, like 800 pixel. You can also check from here. Yeah, it is look great. You can also, if you not looking good, you can add some more padding here, like 20 pix 120. Now it is look great. Yeah, the first section is ready. If you want to add more, you can also add here. Now going to duplicate it. No, sorry, we are not going to duplicate it. For the next, I am going to create another section and inner section, and this is for why choose us. I choose yours. Now I am going to add padding on it, like 20 pixel or 20 pixel. And now I am going to add two container on it. There is a 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 section. I am going to give it 50 pixel, 50%, so we can adjust to. And now I am going to set it flex. Okay, I am adding column 40 pixel. Yeah, done. This area for the images, we can add it from URL from here. Now I am going to give a good height, like 400 pixel. Yeah, and content, or cover it. No, I am going to select this. What I am going to set 250 pixel. Alignment center, or you can also go with this area. Yeah, it is look better. And now I am going to add a border in it, like 20 pixel. Yeah, it is look good. And now I am on the right side, I am going to add content. For it I am going to add h2 heading, right? Y, choose us. And we have point for it. For it I am going to add a minimum margin on bottom, because it's a high. Yeah, it's look great. And I am going to add extra bold, and I am going to give yeah, it's look great. And for it I am adding both in the one section, and going to add a padding, so it look great together. Yeah, it look great. And now I am going to add some border in it. Yeah, it is looking great. Border, now I am going to add pixel. Yeah, it is looking great, and it has some margin or bottom margin. That's why I'm going, that's why it take more space. I'm going to give 0, and now it look great. And I'm going to give some more spacing here, like 30 pixel. Yeah, it's look great now. I'm going to add 20 pixel. Yeah, and for it 20 pixel bottom. Now you can going to add other proven result proven result, like here, copy paste. Just I'm going to add content. And we can also add, like, here this is a mistake from my side, and I'm going to add like a full container, like here, and give it to 100%. Yeah, I'm going to give it flex container column, and now this area I'm going to add the external container and display flex maximum 100%. Now going to add a 20 pixel and 20 pixel and wrap. Going to add size on whole 50% and going to check best fit for it. Yeah, I think it is better with the 40 pixel. Yeah, it is good. It has some maybe it looking good, or yeah, it look great. Now I am going to add more bottom margin, like, yeah, it looks great now. You can check here. Oh, yeah, here is some mistake, and this is because of it. And now I am going to check again. Yeah, now it's look great. You can check this look great on. We can also add here our background image.